Introduction to Efficient Note Organization in Notion.
Notion is a powerful tool for managing notes, ideas, and projects. Organizing notes efficiently can save time, reduce clutter, and help you find information quickly. In this guide, you'll discover practical steps and proven methods to structure your notes in Notion, so you can boost your productivity and stay organized.
Set up a clear folder and page structure.
Begin by creating a hierarchy of workspaces, folders, and pages in Notion. Define broad categories like work, personal, or studies. Under each category, add subpages for specific topics or projects. Using a well-planned structure makes it easy to locate notes and keeps your workspace tidy and intuitive.
Use databases for powerful organization.
Notion databases let you group, sort, and filter notes. Create a database for your notes and use properties like tags, dates, and categories. Group related notes by topic or status. Databases provide advanced search and filtering options, making even large collections of notes easy to navigate.
Leverage templates for consistency.
Consistent note formatting helps you stay organized. Use Notion's built-in templates or create your own for meeting notes, lecture summaries, or project plans. Templates ensure important details are always captured, save time on repetitive tasks, and make reviewing information quicker and easier.
Tagging and linking for better connections.
Tags and internal links help connect related notes. Add tags for topics, task status, or priorities. Use Notion's linking feature to reference notes across pages. This approach builds a web of connected information, so you can quickly jump between related ideas and never lose track of important details.
Regular review and maintenance.
Set aside time to review and update your notes. Archive outdated items, update links, and tidy up categories as needed. Regular maintenance ensures your Notion space remains clear and current, enabling you to keep your focus on what matters most. Remember, an organized system is a productive system.